Anthony Fasano here from the Engineering Management Institute, and I'm here with Jeff DeLaet, Vice President of T&M Associates. Jeff is in charge of T&M's FEMA program. Jeff, welcome to the show here. What I want to ask you in this video is, you've been a very successful professional in the field. Looking back on your career, what is one key driver that you remember that really contributed to your success as an engineering professional?
It definitely was when I came across the right leader for me. Someone that understood where my career aspirations were at and inspired me to become the type of person, type of leader I wanted to become. He drew upon my competitive side,
Right.
Put me in uncomfortable situations, and always seemed to rise to the challenge. And as a result, I felt that going from a rather comfortable, safe working environment
Right.
to something that was a little bit out of my comfort zone, I found out in the end that it really elevated my career, both professionally and financially, by, again, taking some chances. And it was only made possible by finding the right leader.
Okay, and he pushed you. And I think two good takeaways for you as an engineer: if you're someone who is not a manager yet, you of course can't necessarily control who your manager is. However, what you can do is at least be aware of it. Be aware of the impact that they can have on you. And if you're in a situation where they're not that type of leader and they're not pushing you, then maybe you need to make a change. And secondly, if you are a manager, you can think about it in reverse. Think about the influence and the impact that you have on someone in maybe pushing them outside of their comfort zone and making them a more effective engineer, because you are that leader to them, because you care about them and their success, not just, you know, checking off all the boxes on your projects to make them successful. Does that sound about good, Jeff?
Absolutely. You want to have a leader that has some things that you both have in common, both tenaciousness
Right.
and competitiveness and wanting to be the best you possibly can be, as opposed to just having a manager that's just making sure you do your job. You want to elevate your career, find the right leader.
Yeah, absolutely. So once again, thanks to Jeff DeLaet, Vice President of T&M Associates. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get all of our Engineering Manager 80/20 videos. Thank you.
Thanks.